Welcome back to the channel. Don't mind my hair. I need to take it out and do it over. It is, what's today? Monday. Money making Monday. I'm here with Royalty.
Monday, February 16th.
Yes, it is. And what we gonna do?
We'd like to get ice cream.
We're gonna get ice cream. It's nice. It's sunny outside. It is about 37, 40 degrees. Oh no. Sorry, boo-boo. Sorry. Come, boo-boo. Oh boy, she don't play about no birds. She see them birds, she be like, oh hell no. But we are going to get some ice cream. Like I said, it's about 40 degrees. So we're gonna sit in there and eat our ice cream. It's at a spot called, what's the name of the place? Venerio's, a very legendary place. If you know, you know. If you're not from New York, go there and try it. There it goes, Venerio's. We're finally here. We gotta wait online to be seated. She wants to sit down and eat her ice cream, right? Yeah, so we gotta wait. Of the king. You need to, you will not be upset. You get a slice of cake from here, okay? What's your favorite cake? And here, what's your favorite cake? That red velvet is busting. These are the only ice creams they got, but it is top notch. That pistachio and that cookies and cream, top notch.
Part 2, I have a rash.
Thank you.
I have a bad rash. So,
Yeah, all of a sudden she's starting to like, I don't know, her hand is like getting red. Like she's having a reaction to something. I don't know, so fast. I don't know.
me? How do I go so fast?
No, I'm saying I don't know like how it happened so fast. Want some water? Okay, be careful. Big girl. Big girl. They need to do a dance. Big girl. Big girl. Big girl. Big girl. Big girl.
Big girl skirt. Skirt okay. Big girl skirt. Skirt okay.
So we're just waiting for our ice cream. Like I said, this is a very legendary place. It has been here for years, on top of years, on top of centuries. So if you're ever in New York, come to Venerio's.
New York
Yeah.
was even made. BC's was made before countries.
Yeah, that's true. So I think tomorrow we're gonna go to Trader Joe's to see if they have any cherries. Ooh. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, thank you. Ooh, let me put the light on. You go first, cat. How is it? Good. See? You didn't ask me to take some of mine? Okay, let me taste. Okay.
There's some more.
That's good, right?
ASMR.
You guys not
What?
ready about this?
ASMR video.
I know. You're supposed to put some on yours, then do cheers.
Could I do one small sphototele and one mini lobster?
Or is it not?
Mainly not so we don't have to do.
Okay, that's fine. I think that's maybe just this
You
one.
like mine.
I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like it's Saturday, and I see you, and I see you. Baby, when I never look, you might walk by. So I gotta be right. I see you, and I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look.
Royce, don't play. So we ate our ice cream. How was it, Royce?
I'm tired. It's good.
Every time this girl eats something, she always talk about she's tired. Oh, Royce, what was it that you said you wanted from Lululemon? The fanny pack?
Are both really into running.
Was it?
And they
Remember? You was asking Grandma for the fanny pack? Is that what you wanted? What color? Oh, a pink one. Okay. Yeah, so I guess she been looking at some Lululemon stuff. And she wants a pink fanny pack. Let's go this way. Nice and sunny. What? Oh, you're here? Yeah. I didn't bring my shades, nothing. Woo! But one thing about New York, they have a lot of bakeries and stuff out here. There's a lot of sweets, treats, all types of different things.
Beautiful lady.
Hey, Coco! That was my babysitter. Shout out to you, Coco. Best babysitter slash nanny in the world. So, so we are just going home now.
I'm taking a nap.
Here, this one. What you doing?
Taking a nap
A nap?
on the couch.
On the couch? Why is she leaving me? She's too much. All right, y'all. We see y'all in the house. So, we decided to go to the library. Royce says she wants to read a couple of books, so let's see what they got. I know you want to go inside, but it's a holiday. You know what today is? You know what today? What did I tell you about the hate word? What should you say instead? Huh? Hello? What should you say instead?
I don't like holidays.
Okay, yeah, you do like holidays.
No, I don't.
Because your birthday? Christmas? Thanksgiving?
No.
All right, so let me just take away all the holidays, guys. So we don't have no holidays to celebrate, which means we don't gotta spend no money on.
Huh?
We don't gotta spend no money. So nobody gets nothing. We just say good morning, like we do every day. Hate is a strong word.
I said I don't like.
I know, you changed it to like. That's more like it. You don't have to like holidays because it's disrupting what you want to do. So I forgot it was a holiday and the library is closed, of course, because the holiday. You don't think the librarian needs a break, Royalty? Any other day, the library is open every day. But we're going to go upstairs and I got some books from the library. We'll pick one and cozy up on the couch and read.
No, I want to watch Home Alone and eat popcorn.
And watch Home Alone and eat popcorn. I don't know where we getting popcorn from.
From the kitchen, duh.
We ain't got no popcorn.
Yes, we do.
She don't know.